Today we travel from the Colosseum to Piazza Venezia. Colosseum to Piazza Venezia, a beautiful moment indeed. As you step off the metro line B at the Colosseum station, you are transported back to the pinnacle of ancient Roman civilization. The Colosseum, or Flavian amphitheater, rises before you, a colossal ruin that once echoed with the roars of gladiators and the cheers of up to 80,000 spectators. Its tiered seating, now partly crumbled, still evokes the grandeur of the Roman Empire's might. Imagine the spectacles that took place here, the gladiatorial combats, the mock sea battles, and the public spectacles that defined an era. As you circle the Colosseum, take a moment to touch the weathered stones, feeling the grooves and textures that have withstood the passage of millennia. Each crack and crevice tells a story of glory, tragedy, and the inexorable passage of time. The music of the streets accompanies your journey. The melody of an accordion player fills the air with a classic soundtrack, reminiscent of the cinematic scenes of old Rome. A guitarist plucks a tune, a serenade to the city's enduring beauty, while street performers dressed as centurions, or draped in togas, add a layer of living history to the ambience and artwork. Venture into the Roman Forum, once the bustling heart of the ancient city, where politics, commerce, and justice intermingled beneath the shadow of the Senate and the temples of the Vestal Virgins. The stones of the Via Sacra still bear the marks of chariots, and the Arch of Titus stands as a silent witness to the triumphs of emperors. As you ascend to the Palatine Hill, you're following in the footsteps of Rome's legendary founders, Romulus and Remus. It's said that the wolf that nursed them resided here, and later, it became the chosen spot for emperors to build their palaces, looking down upon the grandeur of the city they ruled. Stroll through the Via dei Fori Imperiali, where the echoes of ancient marketplaces and political gatherings mingle with the vibrant energy of contemporary Rome. Here you'll find artisans selling handcrafted goods, capturing the spirit of the city in leather, metals, and colorful canvases. Make your way to Piazza Venezia, dominated by the imposing white marble monument known as the Altare della Patria, or the monument to Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of a unified Italy. Its grand staircases, towering columns, and the eternal flame at the tomb of the unknown soldier are a tribute not only to the king, but also to the enduring legacy of Italy itself. As you absorb the layers of history and the hum of modern life, let the flavors of Rome tantalize your taste buds, perhaps with a gelato in hand or a slice of Roman pizza. Let every sense be your guide as you embrace the city's ancient heartbeat and its contemporary pulse. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so take the time to savor each moment in this eternal city.